All right, guys, here we go. Today is the day I'm heading over to Costco so that I can purchase my DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I've waited so long to get this device, and as you can see, I'm super excited. So here we are. It's finally time to unbox this baby. This is a very popular gadget being used by content creators the world over. So let's get into the unboxing so I can show you what's inside. All right, the first item out the box is a 64 gig micro SD card. Then we also have the Osmo Mini tripod, and I'm sure that'll come in handy. Also included is the battery handle. Give you guys a good look at that. And here we have the actual device, the Osmo Pocket 3. I will say, I was super excited to get my hands on this thing because I wanted to see just how compact it was in comparison to my iPhone. I know that a lot of you have been using your cell phone as the primary tool in your content creation, but there are times where you want to be a little more discreet and not have a bulky cell phone pointing in the next person's face, and this is where I think the Osmo really shines. As you can see, it literally fits in the palm of my hand and is a little more compact than a cell phone when it's folded up. The fact that the Osmo is so portable and can be carried around just as easily as a phone is one reason why this is such a powerful tool for content creators like you and I who stay on the go. Even though I have small hands, having an accessory like this mini tripod comes in handy because I am known to drop things left and right. The Osmo is not a cheap device, and this is something that you really don't want to break your first time using it. So having this tripod is super helpful to not only handle the device, but also capture the shots that you want. When you pair it with the battery handle that comes included with the package, it does help extend the life of the Osmo so that you can capture content without having to worry about the device powering down because it's out of juice. All right, this next piece of equipment is the extension handle. As you can see, it has a quarter thread screw so that you have the capability to twist the tripod into the bottom of the Osmo. It also has a little port on the front so that you can charge the device, and it helps to just give you a little more grip when you're using the device. Now that we got all the technical crap out of the way, let's have some fun and power this sucker up. I'm first going to start by inserting the micro SD card into the expansion handle on the bottom of the device. There's a little slot on the side that it goes into. You want to be careful handling this thing and not touch any of the little metal prongs, but it slides right in the side there, and you should feel it snap into place once you press it on in. To turn the Osmo on, I could either rotate the screen as you see here, or I could use that little circular record button on the handle. So now we're in business, and the first thing I did was perform a firmware update and install the DJI Mimo app. You can skip installing this particular app if you want to just jump right into playing with your new Pocket 3, but the DJI Mimo app does enhance the functionality of the Osmo Pocket 3 and gives you more control when it comes to your editing options and ways to share and transfer your content. If you ever go to use your Pocket 3 with the Mimo app and you get this message that it can't find the device, make sure it's turned on because it should connect seamlessly, as you see here. Now, once you're actually inside of the Mimo app, this is where you'll find a bunch of robust features and templates that will greatly enhance your experience with the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So make sure you dive in and check out all of the amazing features once you get the app fired up and connected to your device. And if for any reason you still need to be convinced to go out and purchase a DJI Osmo Pocket 3, let me give you a sneak peek at some footage that I've already recorded using the device. It is incredible. It has a 1-inch sensor, built-in gimbal stabilization, face tracking, color grading. You can record in 4K. So many features that you are just going to have so much fun with. So please, if you are considering purchasing this device, run, do not walk to your nearest electronics store and pick yours up. I hope you won't be disappointed because I surely am not. In my next video, I'll share some accessories that I'm using with my own personal device to make filming a little more efficient. Until then, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.